Hi guys, it's the Confused Blur, and I'm gonna rate EAS alarms. Which I'm outside right now. My computer's not ready, but I just showed up on the screen. So first is Texas. Not likely, but other people say it's a 0 out of 10 because it sounds like an old computer, but 10 out of 10. It scares the heck out of me. Now, second is the Mexico EAS alarm. Not gonna lie, doesn't scare me. It's a 1 out of 10 because it doesn't scare me at all. Now, the Japan EAS alarm. 6 out of 10. Cause this is good. Now, next one is the Cuba EAS alarm. Not gonna lie, pretty scary. A 9 out of 10. 9. Now, oh my, and it just calmed up. There's a bee there. But next one is Panama. Very sad. 10 out of 10. And that's all for today. It's kind of a little bit short, but it's okay. Bye, guys.